How to connect Exness to MetaTrader 5. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Exness account to MetaTrader 5. So if you want to start trading using MT5 with your Exness account, follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your Exness app on your phone. Once it's open, tap on Details. Then, tap the Settings icon at the top right. In Settings, you'll see your server information. Go ahead and copy the server because we'll need it for MT5. Now, open the MetaTrader 5 app. Tap on Add Trading Account. At the top, tap Search and paste the server you copied from the Exness app. It will take a few seconds to load. Once it loads, select Exness Technologies Limited from the list. Next, you need to log in. Go back to your Exness app, copy your login ID, and paste it into MT5. After that, enter your account password, then tap Sign In, and that's it. Your Exness account is now fully connected to MetaTrader 5, ready for trading. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides.